In northwestern Croatia, along the banks of the Drava River, lies one of the most charming cities, which occupies a special place in a number of historic cities in Central Europe. We present you Varaždin, a city of magical attraction where you discover its splendor and beauty with every step. Outstanding architecture, cultural heritage and historical views stretch through romantic streets and squares. The cultural and historical center and the most recognizable symbol of Varaždin is the Varaždin feudal fortress Stari Grad. It was built between the 14th and 19th century, and every corner of it is part of a rich and proud past. The natural and historical beauties seem to complement and make the city magical. Wherever you go, you can experience history, stimulate your imagination with art, experience authentic moments of fun and the lifestyle of the people of Varaždin. Not far from the beautiful early Baroque Varaždin Cathedral is the green heart of the city, a city park known as the Promenade of Vatroslav Jagić, ideal for relaxation and enjoyment. It is not the main nor the largest, but it is the most beautiful and favorite for many. Stančić Square, surrounded on one side by the Sermaj Palace, on the other by the watchtower, and with a spectacular view of the castle and ramparts of the old town, is an unavoidable location to have a coffee with a special experience. Visit the square of traditional crafts with a hatter, blacksmith, beekeeper, shoemaker and potter. In this corner of Varaždin, feel the spirit of the city's tradition. The blacksmith will be happy to mint a coin for your luck, and you have the opportunity to sit on the royal throne and be king or queen for a day. At the Varaždin market, the popular Varaždin Platz is always alive. Just like Varaždin itself, the Platz has a soul, and you can't leave here in a bad mood. Try the typical pastry, Varaždin Klipić, cheer yourself up with a bouquet of flowers and take a walk. You can go to the Street of Angels. Legend has it that Varaždin is a city where angels sleep. There, just a few steps away from Korzo, come and feel the presence of angels peeking out the windows, playing catchers, flying through the air. Behind the colorful, large house-door doors of the historic center of Varaždin hides the real magic of charming courtyards that open their doors in early summer. Take a peek into the intimacy of Varaždin's courtyards and listen to their stories. Touch the thumb of Gregory of Nin, one of the most impressive monuments in the city, and make a wish. They say it fulfills desires and brings happiness. Check it out! The festival season is an ideal opportunity to get to know Varaždin in fullness of spirit, openness and playfulness. It lasts all year round and opens Varaždin to the world, bringing the world to its streets and squares. One of the special events is Špancirfest, a unique festival that at the end of August every year transforms the entire historic center of Varaždin into a large music, theater, performance, gastro and creative stage with hundreds of events that attract more than 250,000 visitors in 10 days. We can only add, don't miss out. A day in Varaždin will be enough to make you fall in love with it. And if you want to experience and explore it, choose accommodation in one of the hotels, apartments or rooms. The city of rich history and joyful lifestyle is full of luxurious flavors of gastronomic tradition. The tradition of good cuisine based on traditional dishes and foods grown in eco-households is still nurtured today in Varaždin restaurants. The selection from the rich palette of dishes should also include the Countess Marica cake, inspired by the Habsburg period, and the operetta of the same name, in which she invites, "Kom mit nach Varaždin, come to Varaždin." Varaždin is close and waiting for you. Surrender to it.